Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel.
In this video, I'll show you how to set the classic Windows Photo Viewer as your default image viewer in Windows 11. This method will bring back the familiar photo viewing experience from older versions of Windows. And now, let's get started. First, download the registry file using the link in the video description. This registry file will enable the option to set Windows Photo Viewer as your default image program. Once downloaded, run the .reg file. You can open it with a notepad to explore its content after reviewing it, open it, and confirm the action. After that, open the Task Manager by right-clicking on the taskbar and selecting Task Manager. In Task Manager, search for Explorer, then right-click on it and choose Restart. Next, go to any image on your computer and right-click on it. Select Properties, and when the Properties window opens, go to the Open With section. Click on Change, and you'll see a new option for Windows Photo Viewer. Choose it and set it as the default. Now, you've successfully set the classic Windows Photo Viewer as your default image viewing program. I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.